Hello Stallions! Today I'm going to give you directions for this practice page. The directions say count the objects. Cross out one object. Count and write how many are left. So, we are going to count the number of donuts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 donuts. Now I'm going to cross one donut out. How many donuts are left? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 donuts left. I need to write the number 5 in the box. 1 less than 6 is 5. Now, you go ahead and count the other objects, cross out 1, and write how many are left. Have fun, Stallions!